Today we have a symposium, it's a seminar to bring the helicopter community together to increase safety. First responders, police officers, CHP, fire agencies, local operators, flight school, you name it. We're all flying low level. That's why the turnout was so big. They're hungry for information. Walking out of here, how to survive low level below 200 feet. That's the important thing here. Edison's #1 goal is safety, but bringing the community together, learning from each other, building that experience to increase safety, that's the reason these people are here today.